The challenge we had when we started with this new venture was that we had a bunch of recently sawn posts and beam for the construction of the pool enclosure, but the finish was not good enough. And we decided, well, if we want to have our posts and beams for the pool area properly planed, perhaps we can put something together here. We went ahead and disassembled the benchtop planer, and when I was doing that, my wife was saying, "Are you out of your mind? This is not going to work." And well, and to our surprise, it did. Basically, what we did was we flipped the head of the planer and we put the cutting mechanism facing up. And then we managed to attach what was at the time the base of the planer to the moving gantry of our Norwood sawmill. Everything is working. We're now utilizing the actual controls of the sawmill to move the head up and down and control the depth of cut. So a bit of adjustment here to lower the blade, just a tap, and turn on the machine, and then lock the mechanism that allows the machine to move forward. When we started the testing process, we also realized that the feed roller worked. And that was kind of cool to see that. By now, we're almost done planing all the posts and beams that we have, and we're moving to the next step, which is actually assembling the structure.